Emily here, and today I'm giving you a little tour of my organized cleaning caddy. If you're looking for ideas and tips for simplifying your cleaning routine and incorporating more green cleaning products throughout your home, this video is for you. Now, I want to start off by saying that I'm not a big fan of cleaning, but it's a necessity in our house. So I think it's well worth taking just a few minutes to assemble a really cute, pretty cleaning caddy that makes cleaning just a little bit more fun. I've spent a lot of time paring back our cleaning solutions to just those few everyday essentials that fit in this caddy and that are effective for cleaning around our entire house. So I'm going to give you a little tour of our caddy, show you all of the great products that I like to use, and I'd love to hear all of your tips and product favorites in the comments below. So first of all, I just wanted to go over real quick why it's a great idea to have a cleaning caddy in the first place. I think they're really awesome because they keep all of your everyday cleaners in one place. It's great to have one with a handle so it's easy to carry around the house. It just keeps everything all together so you can carry everything around as you're cleaning up different rooms. You have all of the usual supplies that you need to do a great cleaning job without running back and forth to the kitchen to grab things from under the sink or to grab things out of the closet. Keeps everything really simple. I like to have a cleaning caddy with a handle and one with different compartments if possible. Mine has several different compartments in here where I keep different cleaning rags and supplies, and then my spray bottles go on this side. So it's nice, it's easy to keep it organized. Mine's not really large. I don't have a lot of cleaning supplies. These really are the essential things that I use often. Obviously I have some more specialty cleaners and some larger cleaning items that I keep elsewhere, but really honestly these are the things that I use on a daily basis. Some people like to have multiple cleaning caddies so that they have them in all the places around their house where they use them most, which I think is a great idea. A lot of people will keep one cleaning caddy in each of the bathrooms in their home. You might want to think about having one on your main floor of your house and one on your second floor. It's really up to you. I just keep this one right now under our kitchen sink. I have a couple small cleaning supplies that I keep under each of the bathroom sinks upstairs for quick cleans, but really this is where most of my cleaning products live. So this white cleaning caddy here is actually a utensil holder I found in the summer section at Walmart. So it's meant for like picnics and things, but I love these three compartments. They're meant for silverware, but they're great for holding like all the cleaning rags and rubber gloves and sponges and things and keeping them a little bit more organized in that section. And then this side is perfect for the 3 round glass spray bottles that I keep in my cleaning caddy. So this has worked out great for me. It's the best that I have found that fits all of the supplies that I use. So go in search of something that fits all of the supplies that you use on an everyday basis. Ideally, you'd find one that has a few different compartments to keep things a little bit more organized. Something with a nice handle is really great as well to make it more convenient for toting around the house. Also, I added this label myself. This is made with my Cricut Maker cutting machine and adhesive vinyl. So I created this design, I cut it out, and then I adhered it to the cleaning caddy. I did the same design on each side. I just think it adds a little bit more fun to a really boring thing like cleaning. So if you want the tutorial on how to make these labels for everything around your house, I have a video all for that, and I will link it in the description down below. One thing that I discovered when I was shopping for cleaning caddies recently is that there's really not a lot of cute ones out there. So I'm going to go ahead and link to some of my favorites down in the description below. So that'll give you a starting point that you can look at. There's some different sizes, different colors, different types of them, so you can kind of pick and choose and find one that works for you. If you have any favorite cleaning caddies that I don't mention, I would really love to hear about them in the comments below. I used to have like a dozen different bottles of cleaning solutions stocked under our kitchen sink, but when I really stopped to look at what they all did and just kind of wanted to pare down things, bring in more green products into our home, I discovered that I really only needed a few basic essentials that did a great job all around the house. The first thing that I recommend is in every single cleaning caddy is a great multi-purpose spray. This is a multi-purpose spray from the brand Grove Collaborative. It is my favorite. It's the scent is orange rosemary and it smells phenomenal. So the other 2 sprays I use are a standard glass cleaner spray. This is also the Grove Collaborative brand, and then I use the Method brand of wood cleaner for all kinds of wood surfaces. I love the Grove Collaborative brand items because they come with refills in concentrate form, so you don't have to buy big bulky plastic bottles. When you run out, you can simply order these little tubes of refill cleaner. You empty them out into these glass spray bottles, fill the rest of the bottle with water, and you're good to go. So it's way better for the environment. It takes up less room in your shipping boxes, which is also good for the environment, and I just can't say enough good things about those. I also see here that I keep my cleaning sprays in these nice glass bottles. These just feel so nice. They feel just like a little bit of luxury in a really monotonous thing like a cleaning caddy. I did add one custom touch to these spray bottles, which is a little adhesive vinyl label. It's great for identifying what's what, so if anyone else is looking in your cleaning caddy, they know which spray does what. So I added these with the same exact process that I used to add the label to the outside of my cleaning caddy. These were done with my Cricut Maker cutting machine and adhesive vinyl. Alright, so the next essential in any cleaning caddy are microfiber cloths. So I have 3 of them in different colors that I keep stocked in our cleaning caddy. These line up with the colors of the spray bottles with our cleaning sprays in them, which makes for a great color-coded system. It's easy to know which rag to grab so that you're using different ones for different purposes and you're not getting them mixed up. So I love microfiber cloths. I used to use paper towels for everything, and especially for things like cleaning windows and counters off all the time. You can waste so much paper doing that. So this is a really easy switch if you're looking for some simple steps to take to be a little bit more green conscious in your home. Pick up a few microfiber cloths. You can find them all over. Most of mine are from Grove Collaborative because they match the bottles that I purchased from there, but you can find them wherever. I just love them. They're really easy to wash. We just throw them in the washing machine with the rest of our dish towels every few days, and that's all there is to it. Another thing that I keep in my cleaning caddy are these really cool things. These are called sponge cleaning cloths. They're from a brand called Full Circle. I discovered these guys at the Container Store, and they're really useful. They're basically like a reusable rag or sponge. They're a lot more absorbent than like a microfiber cloth will be, so they're great for cleaning up larger spills or washing out sinks and that sort of thing. They actually happen to line up color-wise with my sprays, so I can use them just like I do the cloths to keep a color-coded system going. I use these just to kind of clean up some bigger spills, some sticky messes that might need a little bit more cleaning solution to mop up. These are just really handy. You can wash them in the dishwasher, pop them in the microwave to disinfect, and reuse them over and over again, so they are awesome. The next essential in any cleaning caddy is a magic eraser. These things, if you don't use them, you need one because they're pure gold. They get all sorts of like scuffs and crayons off of walls. They really clean anything that's stuck anywhere. So we have a lot of crayon all over our walls since we have a toddler running around the house, so this is great for getting that off of the wall without damaging the paint. I also recently used this to clean the inside of our front door. It was full of gunky like fingerprints and grime and dirt and black scuff marks everywhere. It was awful, and this made an amazing difference. I just spray a little bit of my multi-purpose spray on the surface and then scrub it with the magic eraser. You can also cut these into smaller pieces to get into smaller nooks and crannies. They're just a really versatile thing that I think should be in everyone's cleaning caddy. Another cleaning tool that I keep in my cleaning caddy are a couple bristle brushes. They're little and they get in all of the nooks and crannies here and there when I need to get into hard to reach places or scrub up something that's a little bit more stuck on. These brushes are great. They're both from the brand Full Circle. They use recycled plastic and bamboo, so they're great for the environment, and they make some really nice ones. This one is my favorite. It's a really tiny little detailed brush. It's got like a plastic head that you can use to like scrub things off with, and the little tiny brush gets in all those weird places like around the sink drain, around the outside of the sink. You can use these to scrub your bathtub. Just scrub like stuff off the floor that's stuck on. They're great all over. So I always keep these little guys in my cleaning caddy. I don't use them every day, but I find myself reaching for them pretty often. So the last thing that I keep in my cleaning caddy are a pair of rubber gloves. I have a fun pair of pink ones, but obviously you can get whatever works for you. I don't use these a lot. I don't really mind if my hands get a little bit messy while I'm cleaning, but I do love to have them in here just to grab if I'm working with hot water or some really extra messy places around the house, cleaning bathrooms, that sort of thing. So these are just a great thing to always keep in your cleaning caddy. Alright, so that is your tour of my organized cleaning caddy. I love how easy it is to tote around the house, and I just keep it tucked under the kitchen sink when I'm not using it. It's so nice to have everything in one place. I love having everything pared down to the bare essentials that I actually use every day instead of millions of bottles of cleaners. Really, you just need a few things to make your house sparkling and clean, and it makes your cleaning routine a lot more simple and easy as opposed to grabbing millions of bottles. If you're interested in checking out Grove Collaborative, please do. They're a great company. They have tons of great brands and products on their website, so you can go check them out. look in the description down below. I'll leave my referral code, which will get you a great gift if you're a new customer. In addition to all of these cleaning supplies that I showed you today, some of my other favorites from Grove are the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and hand soaps. I also get the Mrs. Meyer's lotion a lot of times. The Grove branded walnut scrubbers are amazing for doing dishes. And then I love their dish towels. I always pick those up kind of every season to refresh our kitchen towels, and they work great. Go check them out, order a box of your favorites, see how it goes. It's a great way to get cleaning products delivered right to your door. I also really love that you can just kind of go on their website and be introduced to some different brands and to some new products that you might not otherwise be aware of if you're just shopping your local stores.